You're about to witness one of the biggest math traps on the internet. Don't look at the options yet. Your brain is already trying to trick you. Let's see if you can beat this. Here it is. 5 divided by 1/5 times 5. And your choices? A, 5, B, 1, C, 1/5, D, none of these. Sounds simple, right? Well, that confidence is exactly why people get it wrong. Most viewers see fractions and immediately panic, or they combine the wrong steps. Before we solve it, lock in your guess. Seriously, commit to an answer. You're about to find out if your intuition is sharp or completely betrayed you. The first trap is the fraction 1/5. People forget that dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So 5 divided by 1/5 becomes 5 times 5. Easy so far. And that alone eliminates half of the wrong answers. Now we have 5 times 5 times 5. No parentheses, no tricks, just straight multiplication from left to right. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 times 5 equals 125. So the actual answer isn't 5, it isn't 1, and it definitely isn't 1/5, which means the correct option is D, none of these. So why do people swear the answer is 5? Because they try the combined steps mentally and accidentally divide wrong. Others multiply 1/5 by 5 first, get 1, and then divide 5 by 1. Wrong order, wrong logic, wrong result. This problem reveals something important. Most math mistakes aren't about the numbers, they're about ignoring structure. So remember, dividing by a fraction means multiply by the reciprocal, then move left to right. Simple rules. Massive difference. If you want to train your brain to stop falling for traps like this, watch the full lesson I posted on the channel. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next challenge.